Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got in the mail a box from, I love the name of this place, BS Mall. It's a new body, new you. It is a bunch of makeup brushes. So they have all of the brushes. Let me get in here and zoom in a bit. Fix the blurriness. Alright, so we have a powder brush, angled brush, foundation brush, blush, small foundation, fan brush, and detailed brush, and nose shadow, large eye brush. Why is it not focusing? There it is. Eyeshadow, a regular one, and then they have a small version of that. Concealer brush, halo brush, lip brush, eye brush, multi-function brush, angled eyebrow brush, and an eyeliner brush. So that's all the brushes that are in there. So you get all of them in one kit. They are out of, this company is out of Colorado. The product is made in China though. And then I will zoom in and focus on this because it says scan with Amazon app for a limited time offer if available. So I don't know if it's available, but that is the code that you use, I guess. Let me focus again. All right. That's the box. I did this video once and I struggled. So I took it out of the box and here it is. Comes in this nice little container to store all your brushes in, and all the brushes there, and they included a little container for the sponges. They include one in there which go in the center spot, which I'm not going to put in yet because they had this. So they have another one of those, and that was in there, and then they have 3 of the little ones. And they were so hard to get out of the bottom of those. So when you get the kit, you might want to take those out and put them on the top or something. Because they were really hard to get out. At least for me they were. But anyways, they came with those 3. And then the egg with the extra little one in there. So that is what... And then it comes with this cute little container. It doesn't swivel or anything. But... Oh yeah, it does. There it is. It does. It swivels on the bottom so you can put it on the counter and rotate it around. It's really nice. It's a really nice kit. Yeah, I think it's really nice. You get all the brushes at once. You don't have to buy them individually. They all look pretty good quality. They feel nice. Some of them have covers over them, but you can still take it down and feel the quality of them. So yeah, they're really super nice and soft brushes. So yeah, I think this would be a nice addition to any female's makeup kit. Like I said, it has every brush that I think you would need, and then the little sponges too. So I want to say it was like $20 or something. I forgot to write the price down. I got it for free, but if you pick it up on Amazon, I think it's like $20 or something. It is makeup brushes, premium synthetic foundation, powder, concealer, eyeshadow, 18-piece brush set with 5 sponges and a holder. So you get all of that in one kit. So I figured I'd share it with you. And now I'm going to find out who I can give this to because I don't wear makeup. I am actually allergic to it. But I thought it would be a nice gift to give away to somebody. So, yeah. So there's the kit. Suddenly I lost words. I'm sorry. Brain isn't doing so well today. So anyways, I hope everybody has a wonderful night, wonderful day, depending on when you watch this. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.